Good morning, student. Today we are going to complete our lesson number 3 exercise any question answers. Now see, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. First, Portuguese, dash French, British participated in the competition of the capturing Indian market. Then Dutch, Portuguese, Dutch, French, British participated in the competition of capturing Indian market. Second one, in 1802, Peshwa Bajirao II signed the subsidiary alliances with the British. Third one, Jamshedji Tata started the manufacture of steel at the Tata Iron and Steel Industry established in Jamshedpur. Now question number 2, explain the following concept. First one is civil services. Now see, civil services. Here see, for the convenience of administration, he divided the British occupied territories into districts. The district collector was the chief of the district administration. He was responsible for collection of revenue, giving justice, maintaining law and order. The officers were appointed through competitive examination known as Indian Civil Services. It is a ICS. Now next question is commercialization of the agriculture. Commercialization of the agriculture. Now we see commercialization of the agriculture. Entirely, food grains were cultivated by the farmers. It used to fulfill their domestic needs as well as the needs of village. The British government started giving more encouragement to cash crops like cotton, indigo, tobacco, tea, etc. The process of giving stress on cultivation of the profit-giving cash crops instead of food grains is known as the commercialization of the agriculture. Now next question is economic policy of the British. Economic policy of the British. Now we see economic policy of the British. Here see, England was a modern nation. Due to the industrialization revolution, capitalist economy prevailed. Hence, the inculcated an economic system in India, which was conducted to economic system in England. Due to this, Britishers gained economic benefit, but India started facing economic exploitations. Now see, question number 3. Explain the following statement with reasons. First, farmers in India become bankrupt. Farmers in India become bankrupt because of, now see, the answer of this question is here. There were undesirable effects of the new land revenue system on the rural life. For payment of taxes, Indian farmers started selling the crops at whatever price it received. The merchants and brokers started purchasing their goods at minimum rate. At certain times, the farmer had to mortgage his land to the moneylender for arrangement of money to pay the tax. That's why farmers became bankrupt. Now next reason, questions. There was decline of traditional industries in India. Because of, see now, the British government often used taxes. The British government often used taxes on goods exported from India to England. On the other hand, very less tax was imposed in goods imported from the England to India. Also, the goods manufactured in India or England were machine made, and hence there was maximum production at minimum cost. To compete with such cheap products which different for the Indian artisans. Eventually, it led to the closing down of traditional industries and many artisans become unemployed. Now next question number 4. Complete the following tables. Persons and their works. Now first when Lord Cornwallis. It is Lord Cornwallis. Then Buried Crate. Now second one, William Bentings. It is passed the Sati Prohibition Act. So Lord Dalhousie, Widow Remarriage Act, and Sir William Jones established the Ascetic Society of England. So dear student, you have to write down these question answers in your notebook.